Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Milady Cult meme coin. Ticker symbol is CULT. Now this token just got some huge central exchange listings today. They got a lot of them. This is on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 ETH meme coin. We're going to go over the information on the Milady Cult token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is trending #1 right now on Dex Screener. Milady Cult Coin is the full name of the token. Cult is the ticker symbol. Trending #1, and this token just came out 17 hours, 13 minutes ago. That's when the pair was created on Uniswap. They have a market cap of $287.8 million and a fully diluted valuation of $684 million. Just today, they've had a 24-hour trading volume of $158.4 million with 12,231 transactions. They have $21.7 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and token price today is 0.0068 USD. So this token just got listed on a ton of central exchanges. 2 of them, they just got listed on today. So one of them, it says here, was 5:30 a.m. today, December 9th. So it is listed now on Mexc Global. And they also just got listed on Ourbit, Ourbit, which is a new exchange for degens. Now I do have a referral code down there in the description box for Mexc Global and for Ourbit. If you're looking to get this token, you can use either one of those referral codes down there to open an account. So let's say you use the Mexc Global one. Just go right through the Mexc Global referral code in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then you would just go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol CULT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. You can do the same steps on Ourbit referral code down there. This token just got listed on Bitmart. So they got listed at 10 a.m. this morning on Bitmart. So that's another big central exchange there. If you were to just put in basically CULT into a search on Twitter, 8 a.m. this morning they got listed on LBANK. So that's 4 big central exchanges right there already. OXT.com they just got listed on as well. I mean, that's 5. I mean, I'm sure there's more as well. And on top of that, you can also get the token off Uniswap. So if you want to get it in a decentralized way, you can get the token off of Uniswap by basically funding your Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. Any wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. You'd fund that token with ETH. Now you could fund it with ETH from a central exchange. Then you would go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for this token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, cult.inc. And it's real easy to find there. You may have to set slippage, actually. Let me see if there's taxes here. Sometimes there's taxes on Ethereum tokens. Not so much the Solana meme coins, but a lot of the times Ethereum tokens have taxes. This one says 0% buy and sell taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. But you will have to pay some gas fees. They have a decent amount of gas fees. when using Uniswap. Now, their webpage, cult.inc, if you go over there, it says Milady coin, and you can click on that, and that'll just take you to the Twitter, actually, so don't worry about that. But then it says Cult Coin. Twitter is captured by a techno-capital singularity as revolution and white-pilled love core into commoditization takeoff, logistically accelerating techno-economic interactivity, crumbles social order in auto-sophisticating cult runaway. The hyper-financialized network tribe develops its own market intelligence, the cult token. And that's basically all it says. Can you use any bigger words too? Also, thanks for that. So there it says here that there is the cult event launching. And it says TGE imminent. So that's just basically a countdown to their token generation event, which just happened today in the past 24 hours. They do have a little bit of utility on their webpage and a bunch of socials. So they have a Twitter, Telegram, and Discord linked on their webpage that you can join to become part of the community. And then it says if you want to learn more like media-wise, they have a TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Then they have some meme tools. So they have a Cheese World generator, Cheese World meme generator, Remelia PFP editor, NetSpy video maker, and Meme Buru. So it says here, Remelia.org, MiladyChain.org, Cult Telegram group, and then they have the privacy policy and terms and conditions. So there's all sorts of links and things that you can click on their webpage, but that's basically the whole webpage. If you want to join the Telegram, it is at Cult, DOTINC, 2,631 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. Now, how many holders do they got? Right now, it says they have 28. Is this? Oh, no, that's not right there. So, actually, it's probably hard to tell how many holders they got because of central exchanges. But let me see if I can pull up their Etherscan's usually more up to date, actually. So, let's pull that up. Right here, it says 9,165 holders. They have 10 different liquidity providers in Uniswap. And if we pull up their Etherscan, which you could find on Deck Screener, it says they have 18 decimal places on this token, a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. Yeah, 9,204 holders. So they're just starting out here, but I mean, tons of central exchange listings, huge market cap, huge fully diluted valuation, trending #1 on Deck Screener. Go check this token out. You can find it on Mexc Global and Ourbit. So check out those referral codes down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.